Gusto, is the next shot ready?
Yes.
That shirt looks nice. Is that a new shirt? What's written on it?
In the midst of chaos, there is also opportunity.
In the midst of എന്താണെന്നാ നീ പറഞ്ഞേ? Chaos അല്ല, it's chaos.
Similarly, it's not chaotic or chaotic. It's chaotic.
Similarly, I have also noticed many students mispronouncing the word altitude. It's not altitude, it's altitude. Let's take an example here. We are now flying at an altitude of 40,000 feet. Always remember to speak good English. It's very important to pronounce each and every word clearly so that you convey the meaning to the listener.
So to know more about the classes we offer here at B-GHUD Academy, click the number below.